Hi everyone. So today this video I will show you how to build a API using FAST XSLT Mediator. Let's start how to build that one. So let me go through Integration Studio and quickly create one REST API XML file. Right click this one, click new REST API. So new artifact, right? Click next. So here I am giving fast REST API. So here I am giving one context fast here, and let me modify this version type to context and version number. So this one like 1.0.0. let me finish this one. So it will take some second to build your XML file. So meanwhile let me explain you the requirement analysis. So here we will take it as a one request, that request as a XML format. So that XML we will take it as a parent tag like data. So inside data I am passing two fields, one for number and one for price. So after sending this request we will get one response within the message root parent tag, right? We will get mobile number and the total amount. This is one sample example like how you will transform the earlier video also. Those who are watching regularly my video, right? If you go through my channel, so here there is one XSLT Mediator demo is there, and one more mediator also. If you scroll down, right, there is one EI transform mediator also there. So you can at least watch the two videos. So you will get some basic understanding about how to modify your request to different value. So now let me go through requirement analysis again. So here what I am trying to achieve here. So we will create one property mediator. So inside property mediator we will call, means after property mediator we will call fast XSLT mediator. Then we will call log mediator to print all the log. Then we will respond the response to the customer. So for achieving this functionality in property mediator I am taking one property like messageType. So inside messageType I am just selecting that scope to access to, and that value I want to store as a XML format. And what I did, why I did like this one, because this by default fast XSLT mediator is returning soap body, and that soap body it's creating duplicate response. So for stopping and forcing to printing as XML, so I just created this property mediator. And this fast XSLT mediator, right, we will create one separate XSLT file, and that XSLT file we will map it in our fast XSLT mediator. So this is one XSLT mediator body. So within this template, right, I am adding one message tag. So this message tag is nothing but our response message tag. So one more field also I am passing, right, mobile number. So that mobile number is our request field. I mapped that request field number, right. So this number is nothing but this one, and this value is price. So this price is nothing but this one. So while we are configuring this XSLT in our XSLT file, right, so while we are triggering our data request, it will call our property mediator and it will convert that into XML. Then it will call fast XSLT mediator and it will fetch whatever data we are passing as request like number and price. It will fetch that one and it will pass and it will transform the body like this way. So hope you are getting, right. So then we are getting the response. In log mediator we will get this response, and the same response we will get after calling respond mediator, right, we will get the response like this way. So let's start how to build a API this scenario, and to verify our code is working or not. Let me go through Integration Studio. So I'm adding one property mediator. Right click this one and go through show property view. So here I'm adding that property. I'm giving one property name, application type, and this scope value, let me modify this one to access to. So this value, right, so value I want to hint as a XML. So application/XML, and let me save this one. This is one property mediator I added here. Now we need to call our actual mediator, that is fast XSLT mediator. Drag and drop here. If you right click this one and go through show property view, right, so here two type of keys there. One is static key and one is dynamic key. So the static key, if you click the second schema key, right, it will pop up one window. So this window it will show you from where you are actually fetching the actual XSLT file. So in workspace, as we are already integrating our source code in our workspace only. So here if you expand this one, registry demo. Earlier I created one folder XSLT, that registry demo XSLT. So here you will get the number of XSLT file here. So we will create one XSLT file and we will map in our FAST XSLT Mediator. So let's start how to do that one. Let me cancel this one. So if you scroll down, right, there is one registry folder is there, and under that I created one earlier like XSLT validate. So this custom folder and this mapping, those who are watching this video newly, kindly go through my channel. I already upload one video, that is XSLT Mediator EI demo. So kindly watch that one. So you will get some basic understanding about XSLT Mediator mapping and how to create a custom folder with custom XSLT file. You will understand step by step process this video only. Means this XSLT Mediator in EI demo video. So here let me right click this one and go through new and sorry, not here, registry demo, click new, then go through registry resource. Okay, so it is from existing template, click next here. So resource name I am giving here FAST REST API, then modify this template, this one to XSLT file, and this registry modify this one to conf, and this registry path XSLT validate. So this is my registry path. Okay, so I want to, where I want to store this file, so this source in, right, if you click browse here, expand this one, I want to store all the file in XSLT validate folder. So I selected that one, click OK. So make sure your resource path is matching with your folder. So let's finish this one. So now like it is showing what, the FAST registry API, not this one, XSLT FAST REST API. Okay, this one. So this is our XSLT file. Okay, so within this body we need to add our template body. Okay, so if I go through notepad, so this is my template like body I copy here. Let me copy this one, go to integration studio, let me paste here. Okay, so this is my like XSLT body I added here. Okay, so now I need to match my template, right? So what is the template I want to match? So if you go through notepad, so while you are sending any request, right, so there is one field is there, data. So this data must be matched with our template match. So let me add it here. So now our XSLT file also ready. Let me go through our main XML file, right click this one and go through show property view. So here if you now click here, right, go through workspace, expand this one, registry demo, this FAST API now it's visible, right? Let's select this one and click OK. So now our mapping of this XSLT to FAST XSLT Mediator is ready. So we need to add one logger mediator to monitor whatever response we are getting from the FAST XSLT Mediator, right? So we want to trace and print all the logs. Again like log mediator, go to show property view. So here let's modify this label to full. So we will print all the log, whatever log like we are getting from the XSLT, that we will print it here. Let's close this one. Now like we want to respond the response to the customer, right? So add respond mediator to verify our code is working or not. Now save this file. Let me scroll up, right click this one and go through composite application project. So here let me modify this one to FAST REST API. Okay, so now click next. So here like expand this demo config. So we want to select our API here, FAST REST API XML file. So and also XSLT Mediator also we need to select, right? So this is the like registry file I selected here, and let's finish this one. So it is showing what, carbon archive file successfully created in the given destination. So let's deploy this car file to verify our code is working or not. Let me go through EI and I first refresh like to verify your session is active or not. So let me scroll down and click add here and upload that car file to verify. So this one like let me click open here and upload that file. So it is showing what has been uploaded successfully, and we'll see after a while. Click OK. Now refresh this one. You can see, right, now it's 28 is running. So you can see, right, 28 is running. So if you scroll down, right, if you go through APIs and click next, so here you can see FAST REST API, right, and this is the URL I want to test. And one thing like let's verify that method type. So I forgot again. So let's go through yes here, source view. Okay, so actually here you need to modify this one to post. Actually I forgot again. So let's save this file. So click next. Let me copy this URL. Okay, and go through Postman to verify like our source code is working or not. So I added this URL here, modify this get to post, go through body here, like select raw data and modify this format to XML. So let me copy this request body. Okay, let me copy this data, go through Postman, let me beautify this one. Okay, if I send request, right, so now you can see I'm getting like a message. So after that also I'm getting two duplicate message here. So for like resolving this issue, what we can do here, just verify like click edit, click yes here, switch to source view. So as we already did like property mediator also like here, and value also I added here, axis 2 also, but still like I'm getting the duplicate response. Okay, so one thing I did mistake, like this property name, right? So we need to set this property name to message type. Okay, let me copy this one, modify this property name to message type, scroll down and save this one. So if I send request now, right, so now I am getting like single response. So that means like it's issue with our SOAP response. So if you go through log, so now if you see here, right, so now I am getting single only. So that means our code is working fine. So like I hope like you guys are understand like how to use fast mediator in your real-time APIs. And thank you so much, like those who are watching my video, kindly go through my channel SOAP Beyond Doubt and like, share and subscribe my channel, so it will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much.